Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets
play. You don't know what that address entails.
But I have an opportunity to speak. That's what we're asking.
We will deal with that when I get to that order of business. The chair, I will address you. You don't know what that address entails.
But I have an opportunity to speak. That's what we're asking.
We will deal with that when I get to that order of business. The chair recognizes the honorable member for Freetown.
Madam Speaker.
Whenever, okay.
Government may have its way, the opposition ought to have its say, Madam Speaker. You have an opportunity in your discretion to permit us to put on the public record our views on a matter of critical context.
Now I will say. Get him! Ah, my. My lord. I mean, all over me. You think it's right? Do you think it's right? Honorable members, remove that member from this place. Remove the honorable member for St. Barnabas from these proceedings. It has been moved and seconded that the business of this House be suspended until for 15 minutes. As many are in favor will remain seated. Those opposed will stand. You wake me up? Disgusting.
Costa Rica, a country that is in a far better position than Jamaica.
Then Andrew, unless you did think say, we did think say, you did ever come say anything different? How convenient it is for you to make this comparison now? Why you never make this comparison when you raise up a friend MP? You talk about Costa Rica GDP. Don't talk about Costa Rica GDP only. Talk about the corruption level. Talk about the mismanagement. Talk about all of those things. And that is the same reason why we have so much bad roads in Jamaica. $3 trillion unaccounted for in the last 6 years. And they're talking crap. When in history did Costa Rica get a 200% increase on them salary? Talk about that, Andrew. Let's talk about that. Is Costa Rica debt to capital ratio as bad as ours? Does the president or prime minister of Costa Rica have 28 bank accounts with money that can't be explained? And labor rights, for this, only can't see my bad mind. But does the prime minister or president of Costa Rica own a house where him and his wife can't afford, even if them put all of them income where them earn from them as a baby? till them turn adult. Now don't conveniently call Costa Rica road them. Fix the road them and that the people them elect if you do. The people of Jamaica did not elect you for you to peg our progress to any other country. Do the work. Do the work. $3 trillion? No, Nigel. Me know you're gonna IMF, but come here 1 minute. Finally, the CEO of JAM come out and publicly declare that we have a financial accountability crisis. People like me didn't know a long time, but finally, them talk about $3 trillion. That is $1 million. How much road that could have fixed, Andrew Wellness? How many roads that $3 trillion could have fixed? We're busy pegging our progress to Costa Rica and busy trying to name Nigel Clark the best finance minister. Yet still, $3 trillion unaccounted for. Can't find. Don't know how it's spent. Under your and Nigel watch. How wanna explain that? The hospital them a flood out. The roads them bad. The school them now make no progress. Yet still, $3 trillion can't be accounted for. This is no longer a problem. It is a crisis. So for you Liberites who love to defend Andrew Wellness and Nigel Clark, please explain to me, how is it possible that $3 trillion cannot be accounted for in small Jamaica, land we love?